Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special tarot reading for the next 24 hours for your money situation, your relationship. So today Scorpios, we are using these two special cards, and before we start, we are going to meditate. So I request you all to think about your situation while we meditate for a few seconds. So Scorpios, we are picking cards for your situation, your career circumstances first, and then for your relationship. So we are picking one card each for your situation, for your career. So this will be the card for your career and this will be for your relationship. And Scorpios, today we'll be picking more cards from this tarot deck. So these are for your work circumstances and these are for your relationship. So let's start here, guys. You have full moon eclipse. So in your situation, in your work circumstances, in your business or in your work, some kind of a completion, and this is a very powerful sign, a very powerful card here. So you're seeing something reaching the peak, something peaking, and things are really out of your hands, and what you are experiencing right now is what you have signed up for. Maybe it is something like it's part of your destiny, and when you are going through this, you are going to evolve as a soul. You are going to see an evolution. So allow the events to unfold the way it should. Go easy on yourself. So if you are letting go of something today in your situation, it will be hard, but you are doing this at the right time. So only that way you're going to find a resolution or something positive coming. And remember, guys, my lovely Scorpios, what is meant to be yours will never ever pass you by. So remember that. So do not try to control things. Let events unfold the way it should in your situation. So you have 3 of cups, 9 of cups, and Ace of Wands. So we saw a completion with full moon eclipse, but you have 3 of cups, Ace of Wands, and 9 of cups. So it simply means that something wonderful is here, a blessing is here, something truly bringing happiness, contentment, and you are so close to this. So this 9 of cups, a sign that you are reaching somewhere. You are reaching a goal, you are reaching a dream, things are manifesting the way it should. So this is a time of a wonderful new start, something really positive that is here. And this Ace of Wands, a sign of a beginning. So you are seeing a difficult conclusion of something, but that is not the end of things. So when one door closes, another door opens. So in your career situation, you're going to see money, more money, massive opportunities, prosperous changes. Things are taking the shape you maybe you never expected this, but situation turning around in a beautiful way for you in your circumstances. So Scorpios, this is a time of celebration. You are going to celebrate something wonderful, celebrate a beginning that is coming after a difficult situation. And this Three of Cups, a sign of celebration. So congratulations guys. Ace of Wands, a beginning. And Nine of Cups, you are going to be happy about it, definitely. So we are keeping these cards here. We are seeing the next cards for your relationship. You have new moon in Aquarius. Bring love into this situation. So any new moon card means a new beginning coming for you. So in your situation, this is all about modernity, maybe not looking back at your situation. Change is on its way and it will come quickly. So it totally depends on what you want, whether you want change to happen to you or you want some changes to be brought into your life by other people. But a gentle suggestion from this card is to do things your way, to do things, handle circumstances independently. And with this Aquarius energy, time is the essence. So you need to do something really quick. Let go of your past, whatever that has been the reason of some worries or stress. Move forward towards a bright, wonderful future. And maybe if you go out of the way, help someone, you are breaking free from some negative karma, or you are resolving some negative karma in your situation, in your life. So we are seeing the cards for your relationship. We have Seven of Swords, High Priestess, Seven of Wands. So you have Seven of Swords and Seven of Wands here. Energy of 7 working. So this is a time of some spiritual evolution or some changes. Maybe you are in the middle of some changes, or you are hoping and wishing for some changes with this person, and maybe there is something you need to watch out for. The Seven of Swords, a sign of deception. So deceptive energies at work. So it can be from this person or it can be your situation itself. But whatever it is, you are giving your best. You also have Seven of Wands, a sign that you are determined to do the right thing here, work things out in a positive way. And Scorpios, you must understand that there are some things that you're working on. You want to change something, but always trust your intuition. You have High Priestess. So this is a sign that you need to trust your intuition in your present situation. So maybe you feel drawn to this person or drawn to this relationship, or you feel that this is the right thing to do in this connection. Whatever it is, maybe your gut feeling is telling you something, is pointing you towards the other direction. If that happens, listen to that. That will be the right thing, the way your sensitivity, whatever you sense deep down in your heart of hearts, that will be the right thing for you, Scorpio. So definitely listen to your intuition, and there may be some struggles you're facing, some misunderstandings you may have, but you need to think about the situation your own way. Decide on something independently. That is what this new moon in Aquarius is about in your situation. And you need to do this right now, immediately. Handle the situation right now. So that is what I see for you all guys today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. Thank you all for your love and support. I will see you next time. Bye guys.